I'm Sam from EasyTradingSignals.com, and it's been a while since I did an update on our gold price forecast for 2017, so I decided let's do an update. Okay, so this is where we stand currently, and of course the question is gold heading further up, or what is going to happen? Well, if we look at the initial analysis that I did, this is what that picture looks like. So it called for gold to head up all the way through to 1,375 by the end of 2017. Then after that, the analysis basically showed us that that would still continue, and one of the last videos I did basically called for gold to hover around about 1,250 before it heads up further. So let's look at a little bit more detail so we can see. I'm just going to remove this so we can see what's going on. Right, so daily, let's do 4 hours. Right, so this is just zoomed in from where we were previously. So we see here that gold reached all the way up to 1,245. I expected it to actually go and touch 1,250, and the reason for that was basically these levels over here. Let me quickly just draw that in. Basically these levels here are pretty important, and I expected, because 1,250 is such a nice round figure, that it would actually go there. It hasn't done that yet, but I do fully expect that it will. This is kind of, where you have an interplay between what the charts tell you and, of course, external events that shape the waves, but does not overall always influence the direction on the longer term, and that we've illustrated as well in the past. So if we take a look at this, the interesting thing here is we have some very nice patterns basically forming here, and the one thing I see, if I can zoom in here, is this. Now let's see. We have, oops, let's do that. We have this triangle that's forming over here. So let me just draw that in. Okay, so we have a contracting triangle forming over here, and of course we have a sharp upward move just preceding it. So what my analysis tells me is that what we can expect to see here is for the price to continue up once this pattern has completed. And we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, typically like 5 little squiggles in here before it heads up. So that is still what I'm expecting to see. That has not changed. So yeah, the forecast for gold is still up. This is simply a little pause in that process, and I fully expect it to head upwards. Whether it's still going to actually pause as much as I previously expected to do at the 1,250 level, I don't know. We'll have to see exactly what happens. If we zoom out, you'll see that it is in fact still a pretty significant level. It was touched numerous times in the past, and therefore I do expect the market to respond to it once it reaches that level. But clearly this point it has responded 2,245, and that level is also touched more than once. So I'm looking forward to see how this is going to play out. Overall, I think we're still spot on with regards to the analysis, and let me just zoom out a bit. And yeah, see over there as well. So overall, I think we're still heading very much further upward before we'll see any significant pullback, and it'll be exciting to see how this plays out as we go forward into this year, 2017. So I think that's pretty exciting stuff. I'll keep you posted on progress. Please remember to subscribe, and as always, trade easy.